guys, on today's video we'll do a quick unboxing of this right here. Now the only reason I'm showing you this beside it is because that was the special. If you buy one of these, you get one of these home minis for free. So let's just set that apart. And right now we're going to be looking at this guy. So once we open it up, so let's just open it up. They usually do show you around the box, but in this case there isn't any information around it. I will show you anyways. There's this info right here, which again doesn't tell you anything additional you guys might not see online. Same goes right here and here. There's nothing really else on the box itself, so we're just gonna put that apart. And right here is our Nest Hub. So let's just take it out. Now I'm not sure if this has been opened before, but there's a little bit of dust on it, which is kind of weird. Let's just turn it around. And it is fairly small. Now the weight of the box is only because the charger's in here, but anyways, right now what I can tell you guys is that it feels good. It doesn't feel cheap, which is very important when it comes down to speakers, because good speakers usually have a little bit more weight to them than cheaper ones. And if you look around, that's all that's underneath it, on the back of it. So it's a very, very simple, I wouldn't say minimal design, but just a simple design. And here we go. So what size is this? Well, if I'm looking at an iPhone, maybe it's about 2 iPhones around-ish. It's smaller than an iPad mini. If you guys have an iPad mini, you guys can compare that up. This is smaller than that. Now, you guys can kind of compare it with my hand, but it really depends on your hand size, right? So I can't really show you based on that. Now, how big this is, again, it's smaller than an iPad mini, and it's basically like 2 iPhones. That's how big it is, kind of, right? Weight-wise, like I already mentioned, feels okay. So let's just look at everything else that's in here. Let's just set this on the side for now. So if we open this up, we should see, there we go, our charger, which is very similar to chargers we get with our Nest. If you guys have ever had a Nest camera, this is how they look like, kind of. Not exactly, but kind of. So here we go. It's just a regular charger. I would expect, and I did kind of expect a USB-C input, but no, this is just a regular adapter. And on the side, let's see if there's anything else. So we got this guy to get started, which, by the way, I will be doing a setup video plus a review. The review usually comes out a few weeks afterwards, but the setup video is right away, so you guys can see actually how this turns on and all that stuff. We go through the whole setup. I know some of you want to see that unboxing video. You just see exactly this. What do you guys get with this guy? And that's all you guys get. This, okay, for you guys to read. Charger, pretty basic. Okay, it looks pretty long, so that's good. And then this guy, and it's good for you guys to see what color this is, right? Because there is the lighter one and this slightly darker. I know most people like the darker one. However, it really depends. It's all up to you guys. So let me just cut some close-ups for you guys to see this better. So on the back, like I mentioned, we only have this, and that's to power it up. If we look a little bit more up, we will see this button right here. It's not a button, it's something for you guys to slide. It's so you guys can turn off the microphone and turn it on. Not everybody wants this to be listening to you all the time, so that privacy thing is coming around. And then we have this, okay? That is the only button that we're gonna find here. Underneath, like I mentioned and you guys saw before, there's nothing. If you go to the side, nothing, 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 nothing again, nothing again, nothing again. So there isn't that much to show about this. It's pretty simple. Like I said, it's not a minimal design, but it's pretty simple design. Well, up there you guys can see the microphone. Okay, so this would be our hub, and again, it's not too small, not too little, not too big, so you wouldn't really get in the way. And we're gonna be doing a setup video later on, so you guys can see this in action. Anyways, that's it for this video. This is exactly what you guys get in the box. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.